Hi everyone, welcome to KSP Creations. We will learn few questions in general knowledge. Here we go. First, which city is known as City of Festival in India? Second, what is the most remotest island in the world? Third, what is the study of mountains called? Fourth, who was the inventor of the calculator? Fifth, what is the full form of SIM? Sixth, who painted the Mona Lisa? Seventh, which bacteria is responsible for typhoid fever? Eighth, who is the creator of Harry Potter? Ninth, where is the Clove Island situated? 10th, Kathakali is the dance form of which Indian state? Here is the answers. First, which city is known as City of Festival in India? Answer, Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Second, what is the most remotest island in the world? Answer, Tristan da Cunha. Third, what is the study of mountains called? Answer, orology. Fourth, who was the inventor of the calculator? Answer, Blaise Pascal. It was invented in 1642. Fifth, what is the full form of SIM? Answer, Subscriber Identity Module. Sixth, who painted the Mona Lisa? Answer, Leonardo da Vinci. Seventh, which bacteria is responsible for typhoid fever? Answer, Salmonella typhi. Eighth, who is the creator of Harry Potter? Answer, J.K. Rowling. Ninth, where is the Clove Island situated? Answer, Zanzibar, Tanzania. 10th, Kathakali is the dance form of which Indian state? Answer, Kerala. Hope you learn all these questions. Stay tuned for next video. Thank you.